Looks pretty good. It looks okay. Yeah, nice one. Little microwave here, man, but we gotta move. I saw the boys around the corner. They're gonna be here in a sec. What about the fridge? Wow. It's nasty. Let's just put it in there. Wait. Check out this cat carrier. Come on, mate. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, looks alright. We can take this part. Yeah, this one looks good. Couple appliances like this one and this one, pastry rolls and a pie maker. Let's go. And I'll grab the trolley for the washer. Oh, someone's got it already. You guys, man. Look at that. And we'll take the rest, I guess. I wonder why they leave the cord. It's strange. Gotta check out this TV. Oh yeah. It looks okay. I think. Let's bring. Ah. Oosh! Look at the mud. Wait. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Oh, doesn't sound good, mate. That's why it's still here, probably. Okay. This thing. Oh, I think it's light as a feather. Come on, guys. Straight pipe. from.